He craves the warmth of your appreciation, the gentle way you notice his efforts, big or small. Let him feel like the hero of your story, where every word of gratitude drips with sincerity. Show him the vulnerable depths of your desires and emotions. It will invite him to bare his soul in return. When you listen, truly listen, with eyes that shimmer with interest, he will want to fill the silence with his heart. Let the pauses linger. Let him be the one to break the quiet with his need to connect. Let your gaze tell him that every word he speaks is a gift, every glance a promise of more to come. Curiosity is intoxicating. Even if his passions aren't yours, let your intrigue lie in the way his eyes light up when he talks about them. Watch the way his hands move, how his voice deepens when excitement stirs within him. Seduce him with the warmth of your attention, letting him feel how deeply you care, not about the topic, but about him. Trace his interests back to the heart that holds them, and show him that you see the man behind the passion. He doesn't want commands. He yearns for the soft murmur of your preferences whispered in the dark, gentle, respectful, and laced with desire. Let your words linger like a caress, drawing him closer with every breath. For him, intimacy is more than a touch, it is where his love breathes. When he holds you, when his body presses against yours, that is when he speaks the loudest. Savor those moments. Let him know you cherish every kiss, every breathless second. Show him with your touch that you adore him, your fingertips tracing the curve of his jaw, your lips finding his in the darkness. Give him space to retreat, for when he returns, his need for you will burn hotter than before. Desire grows in the distance, and his longing for you will be worth the wait. When he comes back to you, let him find not just warmth but a fire that has been waiting to consume him. The way you speak matters more than the words themselves. The warmth or chill in your tone can melt him or make him retreat. He hears not just what you say but how you say it. A soft, teasing lilt, a breathy laugh, these linger in his mind long after the conversation ends. Patience is your power. Give him time to decide, and he will feel safe enough to share his heart. Let your voice be the place he comes home to, soothing, playful, tender, wrapping him in the warmth of your affection. A man thrives when he feels like he is your chosen one, the man who captures your heart completely. Be playful with him. Let your laughter tangle with his in moments of teasing flirtation. A lingering glance, a slow smile, these are the threads that keep love electric. In his hardest moments, your gentle touch or quiet encouragement will lift him higher. Let him know you respect him, and he will walk through fire for you. Hold him in your gaze like he's the only man in the world, because to you, he is. Love is a different language for men and women. Don't try to make him like you, celebrate his masculinity. He doesn't need to understand every facet of your heart to love you deeply. Treat him like a man, with admiration and tenderness, and he will make you his world. When he feels like your king, he will cherish you like his queen. Let him feel the weight of your trust in the way you lean into him, the way you let him hold you just a little longer than necessary. When a man is truly in love, cheating isn't in his vocabulary. His world narrows to you, his time, his thoughts, all drawn irresistibly toward the woman who owns his heart. He may not even realize the depth of his love until the threat of losing you shakes him awake. Love is powerful enough to make him abandon old habits. If he believes it hurts his chance to hold on to you, he will stop. He will give you the best of himself because you make him want to be better. Men fall fast, faster than you might believe. Lust and love can blur in the heat of the moment, but when it is love, it lingers. Women often find men more alluring when others take notice, but it's the attentive man who remembers the small things, the way you like your coffee, the song that makes you smile, who wins your heart. When he sees the joy in your eyes because he remembered the little things, it will make him fall even harder. A touch of stubble, a hint of ruggedness, these primal cues tap into something deep and instinctual. Women are often drawn to strength, bravery, and resilience, traits that echo the need for survival. But it's not just the rough edges, it's the man beneath them. The combination of strength and tenderness is what makes him irresistible. When he pulls you close, let him feel that you love every part of him, the protector, the lover, the man who makes you feel safe and desired all at once. Every touch, every glance, every word is a chance to deepen the connection. Let him know that with you, he is not just loved, he is desired, respected, and seen. In the end, love is not about understanding every corner of his heart. It's about letting him know that yours is a place where he will always belong.